there are these pads, and it's by the company HighOh, and so they're like these long pads, and you basically you attach them to your underwear and you go and you snap them in. And so they're really absorbing, but there's a couple benefits of these. They're non-toxic, which if you have eczema, a lot of pads and a lot of tampons and a lot of products are actually pretty toxic. So if you're somebody that doesn't want to use a cup, like they have menstrual cups, this is a really awesome pad, and it goes all the way from the front to the back. It ensures that you're not going to have any leakage, but the cool thing about this is it's made with bamboo fiber and charcoal, so it is non-toxic, and you're not putting any plastics or awful things against your private parts, which is really, really important. And this product's really cool because the charcoal actually removes any scent that might occur. So especially if you're somebody that's younger and you're not used to wearing tampons or a cup, this might be really good for you. So I'm gonna link them in the description of this. So they look like this, and they come with a pouch, and after you're done using them, I tried rinsing them in the sink, but nothing really rinses, and so all I did was shove them in the pouch that they give you, and I threw it in the washing machine, and it didn't affect my other clothes. It was completely fine. So that was neat. So go check them out if you're looking for something that's a little bit more non-toxic for your period.